Now this mask is going to lift and firm the skin. It's going to plump the skin up. It's boosting the collagen production in the skin. And as I'm applying it on my skin right now, you can clearly see my skin just looking radiant. And that's why I like this, because it's give you an almost instant result when you use it on. Just look at this.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you an amazing facial mask. This is a DIY facial mask. However, it is really a fast-acting facial mask. If you're seeing the sign of aging and you want to roll back the years, you want to look much younger than your actual age, this is the secret for you guys. This mask contains lactic acid. It also contains vitamin A, which will help to boost the collagen production in the skin, tighten the skin, lift the skin, and give you that natural youthful glow. And if you have wrinkles and fine lines, it's gonna help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I use it, I love it, and often I'm mistaken that I'm way younger than I am. So guess what, guys? Let's get in the kitchen and mix this up together. Now today I'm going to be using tomato, and tomato is amazing to use on the skin. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. It also helps to lighten and brighten the skin, get rid of skin discoloration such as dark spots and blemishes. Tomato also have anti-aging properties that will help the skin to look younger, fresher, and also give the skin a natural glow. So what I'm going to do with my tomato, I'm using a half of a medium tomato, and I'm going to cut it in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. So cut your tomato really fresh. And now I'm going to place our chopped tomato in a blender. We're not adding any liquid to this. We're going to blend this as is. So just cover. Take a look. This is it after blending. And next I'm going to strain. We're getting rid of all the particles. And here we have our tomato puree. Now you can store your tomato puree in your refrigerator for up to 7 days, and you can use it up in your homemade remedies. Now our next ingredient is yogurt, and I'm using a 2% plain yogurt. Make sure your yogurt is plain yogurt. Now I love using yogurt on my skin. It contains lactic acid. It also contains alpha hydroxy acid. Yogurt will help to boost the collagen production in the skin. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells. It helps to prevent breakout. It helps to get rid of blackhead. And guess what? It has anti-aging properties, guys. Just amazing to use. Just make sure to buy your yogurt that contains absolutely no sugar. I'm using about a tablespoon of the yogurt. So 1 tablespoon of yogurt. If you do not have yogurt, you could substitute it for some curd, or you can use some milk. You can even use some soy milk, some sour cream. Okay, so now what I like to do, I like to wake my yogurt up. Just fluff it up, and once it gets this creamy, my next ingredient is some honey. And you want to use pure honey. Now the enzyme in honey works as a gentle exfoliator, slushing off dead skin cells and leaving your skin with a radiant complexion. It also helps to hydrate the skin, lock that moisture in the skin. So an amazing ingredient to use on the skin, especially if you have dry skin. It's going to work wonders for you. So now I'm just going to mix
the honey in the yogurt. Completely blending this honey in the yogurt. Mix well. I'm gonna reach for one of my special oil, and this is rosehip oil. You can use any special oil that you have. We're not using a lot, just about a half a teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I'm using the rosehip oil for its vitamin A properties and also its hydrating properties, and I'm mixing this in. So here I have honey, yogurt, and rosehip oil. And next I'm going to reach for my tomato, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of the tomato puree, and this is a 2 teaspoon measurement, which is 10 ml, and I'm pouring this in with the rest of the ingredient. And now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well. Slowly work your tomato in the mixture. I love this mask, guys. Whenever my skin is looking a little dull and I want it to get a natural glow really quick, this is what I use on my skin. Sometimes I even had a little dried orange peel powder to it, so you can choose to do that if you wish. This will give you almost a natural glow instantly. So mix well, guys. Just mix this out. And once you're comfortable that it's totally blended together, I'm going to pour mine in a small jar. Now, because we use yogurt in this and tomato, which go bad really quick, I suggest you use this one up in 3 days. Do not keep it for 7 days. Use it up within 3 days. And this mask, you can use it on your skin at least every day if you so choose. It's not going to damage your skin at all. But at least 2 to 3 times per week is best. And here we have it, our vitamin A rich, vitamin C rich, anti-aging tomato facial mask. And now, guys, I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. So here it is, guys, and I like to call this a tomato rice cream. So to use this, you want to make sure to wash your face before. Always apply your mask to clean skin. A little goes a long way, so you need not a lot for this. This amount is good, about a tablespoon. And then you're going to just rub it in your hands. It's very creamy, so it's easy to apply to the skin. And just apply it on your skin. Very smooth, very silky like. And you're applying this as if you're applying a facial scrub. So just apply it on your face. It feels really good. It's just gliding on the skin. Do not let this get in your eyes, but you can go as close as possible to your under eyes. And when I apply this, if you have mouth wrinkles, just pack it on over there. Blackheads and whitehead in your nose, applied. And I like to just rub it on like this, and look at that. Ooh. You can actually see my skin glowing already. This feels really good on the skin, really silky, and it have a very pleasant scent to it. As close as possible to your under eyes. And now, once this is done, guys, don't forget to go down on the neck and décolleté. And once this is done, you're going to sit with this on your skin for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you are going to rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. And then you're going to pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. Now, guys, this is good to use 2 to 3 times per week, but the honest truth is you can use this every day. If you're using it every day, you do not need to leave it on for 30 minutes. You can apply it, leave it on for about 5 minutes or so, and then you rinse off. If you're using it 3 times a week, leave it on for 30 minutes. And this also helps to plump the skin up. Look at this. Look at this. And I'm feeling it tightening on my skin. It's a soft facial mask, but it's going to give you that tightening effect on the skin, and your skin is just going to look rosy. Let me wipe a little part off for you to see.
So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Amazing, guys. I so love this facial mask. No joke, no joke. I really love this. Give it a try, guys. Give it a try. Use it for a week or two and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.